In the following video, we are going to explain the construction and working of an obstacle avoider robot, which can detect and avoid any obstacle as shown. The components needed for making this project are two IR sensors, two DC motors, one Arduino Uno board, one L293 motor driver, 9-volt batteries, two motor wheels, one caster wheel, two wooden chassis, screw and nuts, and some jumper wires. For controlling the motor by the Arduino, the following table can be considered. The movement of the robot based on the object detected by the sensor are as follows. Now let's see how the obstacle avoider robot works.